Let's begin by exploring the fundamental idea of a tangent to a circle. In geometry, a tangent is a straight line that touches a circle at exactly one point, known as the point of contact. This unique property means that at any given point on a circle you can draw only one tangent. The concept of tangency is crucial, as it forms the basis for many theorems and problems in circle geometry. Visualizing this, imagine a circle and a line just brushing its edge, never crossing it but meeting it at a single, precise spot. This simple interaction leads to deeper geometric relationships, which we'll uncover in the following scenes. Now let's look at the special relationship between a circle's radius and its tangent. At the point where the tangent touches the circle, the radius drawn to that point is always perpendicular to the tangent. This means they meet at a right angle, forming a 90-degree intersection. Conversely, if a line is perpendicular to the radius at its endpoint on the circle, that line is guaranteed to be a tangent. This perpendicularity is a key property used in proofs and problem solving, making it essential for students to remember. Understanding this relationship helps in identifying tangents and solving related questions with confidence. Let's move on to tangents drawn from a point outside the circle. From any external point, you can draw exactly two tangents to a circle. What's fascinating is that the lengths of these two tangents are always equal, no matter where the external point is located. For example, if you have a point P outside the circle, and you draw tangents PA and PB to the circle, then PA equals PB. This property is often used in geometric proofs and is a favorite in board exam question. Recognizing and applying this equality can simplify many problems involving circles and tangents. Before we dive into theorems, let's clarify some common terms used in circle geometry. A chord is a line segment joining any 2 points on a circle, while a secant is a line that cuts the circle at 2 points. The diameter is the longest chord passing through the center, and the radius is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. Knowing these terms is essential, as they frequently appear in problems and theorems. With these definitions clear, you'll find it easier to follow proofs and solve questions related to circles. Now let's focus on two important theorems that often appear in Icse board exams. First, the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Second, the lengths of two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are always equal. These theorems are not just theoretical, they're practical tools for solving a variety of problems. Make sure you understand their statements and can apply them in proofs and numerical questions. Mastering these will give you a strong edge in your mathematics exam. Finally, let's wrap up with some essential tips for your board exam. Always draw neat and clearly labeled diagrams to support your answers. Before starting a proof, mention the relevant theorem to show your understanding. Use correct geometrical symbols and logical steps throughout your solution. And don't forget to practice plenty of numerical problems, especially those involving tangents. With these strategies, you'll be well prepared to tackle any circle-related question that comes your way in the ICSE Grade 10 mathematics exam.